Hi, it's Tina Bailey here with a crochet dress in progress using this crochet needle by Susan Bates. Let's see, 5mm H. All right. It seems a little bigger than the boy 5. I'm not exactly sure, but that's what I'm using right now. This one is a bigger dress than the other dresses I've made. This is going to fit a bigger doll. I started with a chain stitch of 38. Then I did a double crochet, 8 rows of double crochet. Then I did 2 double crochets in the 9th row, 2 double crochets in each double crochet, and then I did 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 double crochets. So let me make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, the 9th row is 2 double crochets in each 1 double crochet. And then the 10th row is 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 double crochets, 2 chains. And you know, when you get to the end, you slip stitch to join and chain 3. And that is the pattern so far. And this is where I'm at. Up here is like the top area, and this is where it's beginning to ruffle. So I'll come back with the next step. And how are you all doing today? Any testimonies? I have a testimony. God is good. Somebody, my loved ones, gave me this yarn. Thank you so much. My husband, everything that I use, every device, every yarn, every crochet hook, my husband has purchased. So thank you so much, husband. You are so wonderful and so great and so loving and kind. I love you. Thank you.